What's going on, guys? It's your boy Deontay. Break the cycle section. How you doing? A lot of people have been asking me, Deontay, what's the difference on the Forex apps that you're talking about now and the company and the training that you're talking about now from what I'm already doing? I'm already in a Forex company that sounds just like what you're talking about. Well, honestly, I don't know what's going to make this that I'm about to show you different from what you're doing, because I'm not doing what you're doing, okay? So what I'm going to do is I just want to show you what I'm talking about. I just want to give you a little preview to a couple of these apps, and then I want you to ask yourself, is what you're doing, and don't get me wrong, if what you're doing, if you love it, if it's doing great, stay with that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you've already started breaking the cycle with what you're doing with regards to trading and making money online and, creating a financial stability for your family, keep on doing that, all right? This video is going to be for those of you who maybe could use a change, okay? Maybe you could use a switch of scenery, a different community, different training and tools that could maybe potentially help you more. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm not into bashing companies. You guys already know I have my own academy, break the cycle. I help people, I train people on Forex myself, right? But I saw value in what I'm about to show you right now, a small fraction of what I'm about to show you. Okay, you can make a decision on your own. It's all up to you. All right. So, first thing I want to show you guys is an app called Shift, all right? Now, this app sends out signals from a couple of very, very great traders where you could just simply copy and paste from this app. You can see it right here. You could download this right from your app store, right? Which you could see automatically before I even show you. If I scroll down here, you'll see a couple of trades that's already been sent. This Indices USD hit 183 pips profit, went all the way to TP6, all right? This one right here, all JPY. This one all the way went to TP3. It did 100 pips. If you're not familiar with 100 pips are, just think of it like this. For every pip that you see positive here, you could say that could be about $1, depending on your account size. Just to keep it simple, let's just say $1, for example, all right? So that would have been 100 pips would have been $100, okay? This one, 250 pips would have been $200, okay? Just one example, of course, if you did like $10, that would have been $2,500. That would have been $1,000 on those previous trades. So let's say you're home with your kids, or you're out with your family, you're doing something that you want to do, you got your phone with you, and a trade comes out on this app right here, right? All you have to do is open up this app, find the trade, and simply copy and paste it into another app that you're going to learn about called MetaTrader 4 that will actually help you make money if this trade goes the right way. This is something that I really like most about this app, because you never know the history of the signal service actually, right? You can see what they tell you, and you could follow that and you'll be looking at past trades, but you don't actually 100% know. With this, you could see the history of trades taken before you even join, okay? Right here, we're looking at the monthly pips gained per trader. These numbers are not given by the company. Inside the Shift app, these trades are being monitored in real time by AI technology that's giving us the records of these traders. So I could tell you, sit here and say, hey, these signals have been great all day, they're amazing, but you don't really know, right? And when you get this app, you download it, you can see for yourself 1,356 trades taken there, pips gained. He only lost 179 pips. That's my man Freddie Semino, a great trader. Gus, he went 722 pips within the last month, and he hasn't lost not one trade, guys. Let me ask you this. Do your trades look like this? Are you going 942 pips profit and only losing 66 pips, guys. With this app, this is the point. You could do that without spending a fraction of the time of the trust that you're doing now, just by copying and pasting, guys. I'm doing this while I'm homeschooling my kids. I don't know if this is better than what you have. I don't know. But let me ask you, does your company provide this type of transparency? Is what you're doing provide this much value and doing this great at the same time? I don't know, right? All I can do is show you. Let me show you something else. Inside the same app, even though you could copy and paste, guys, guess what? You could learn, and you will learn, how to trade Forex just within this app itself. All you have to do is go to the mastery, like I just showed you, boom, hit mastery. Now you got getting started, step-by-step videos, guys. This is very short. You can see they're all 2 minutes short. So you can master this app in about 20 minutes and be an expert and know how to use it and learn how to profit. Now, you can also learn Forex, guys. We have Forex mastery courses in here, or videos in here, relatively short, no longer than 10 minutes each. So you could get a nice brief overview of what Forex is, how to trade it, what you're looking for, support, resistance, Forex fundamentals. Guys, everything you need is in this app. Then you can master the basics of the technical analysis, right? Know what leverage is, know how to count pips, know how to read the news, all that great stuff, guys. So you can make money and learn within this one app by itself. And this is only one app, guys, of about 6 that we have. One of 6, exactly the same, copy and paste within different areas of Forex, and I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so within the same app, you can also look into learning cryptocurrency, learning about the blockchain, blockchain. Learning about the blockchain, guys. All right, Bitcoin is blowing up. Bitcoin is going through the roof the last month or two, and if you've been living under a rock, this is your way to get from under that rock and learn how to profit with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and actually know what's going on around you, guys. So this is the Shift app, right? A couple other features is inside of the app, you can calculate your lot sizes and use proper risk management, guys. And Forex is not how much money you make, by how long you keep the money that you make, and this is how you do it with proper risk management. So if I have an account balance of $1,000 and I wanted to risk 2% on this trade, okay, all JPY here, with the 50 pip stop loss, I'll just hit calculate here, and now I know less than 2% in my account, I only go in at 0.04 lots. Now you might not understand what that means now, but you Forex traders out there, those of you, especially if you're just starting to learn and you don't really understand account management, you understand how powerful this is. And those of you that don't know, once you get in, you understand. Let me talk to you. All right. So moving on, you can see past results, of course, of these traders, which I already showed you. See past results of trades taken, the ones that won and the ones that lost. Of course, no one's 100%. I'm not claiming that. All I'm asking you is this. I don't know what makes this better than what you're doing, okay? I don't know. I'm not doing it. But you can answer the questions, what you're doing provide this much value, and keep it this simple for people, your family, to break the cycle, for your friends to break the cycle, for your kids when they get older. Something you could show them and say, look, you don't need a job. Here's some money. Learn how to trade. While you're learning, here's some professional traders, okay? Here's some 6 and 7 figure traders that's going to give you the exact trades they give you, baby. So guess what? You can make money while you're learning, okay? And buy your own car, pay your own phone bill. Let's talk about that. Anywho, guys, do me a favor. If you're enjoying this video right now, drop a comment down below. Drop a like down below. We're only just getting started, all right? Let me know if you enjoyed this video and you're getting value from it, all right? So, another group of apps, another app that comes with this company is one called Titan, all right? This is the only US30 scanner online. If you guys know anything about indices, if you know anything about the big moves that these assets take, do you know how powerful this here alone is, all right? So it's already reset for the weekend, so no past trades are coming up right now. But guess what, guys? You can still see them. This app is laid out the exact same way as the app I showed you before. So let me show you something. If I go over here, I look at past results, guys. This is a brand new app, guys. This app just came out this week, okay? So the past history, there's not a lot. But guess what? It's 100% right now, guys. 100% out of the 2 trades that it's taken. 100%. Let me show you. Here's one for NOS 100. All right, this trade came out by Cliff. It was a market execution. It hit all take profits 1, 2, and 3 for 100 points, guys. Imagine getting a trade, you know, and getting 100 pips off the top just by copying and pasting it. So all you have to do, guys, is when the trade pops on this US30 scanner or this Indices Scanner, because it won't just be US30, it's gonna be US30 and other indices are being added. All you have to do is copy and paste, guys. All you have to do is copy and paste. On Wednesday morning, I was teaching my daughter social studies because I'm a stay-at-home parent now due to our the pandemic, of course, like a lot of us are facing every day. Homeschooling, a trade popped on the Titan for NOS 100. All I had to do was say, baby, 1 second, copy, boom, paste. Copy, boom, paste. Trade was in, money was in the bank. Let's talk about it. And I went back to teaching my daughter social studies. This is called time freedom, guys. I'm asking you, how much time do you spend on the charts now, right? And will this help you spend less time on the charts and more time on your why? Whatever why that is. Maybe it's spending time with your family. Maybe it's traveling more. Maybe it's doing more, right? Can this help you get faster to that why? That's all I'm asking. I don't know if this is better than what you're doing. I'm not doing what you're doing, okay? But let me ask you this. Is what you're doing offering more value than this so far? All right? I don't know. So let me show you another money-making app. So far, that's 2, okay? And that's just the product I'm talking about, guys. I'm not talking about the opportunity side, which you don't have to do. Just using these products themselves will give you back your time, will help you buy back your time and maybe quit that job you want to quit. Get away from people who don't like you to be around more people who do like you. Get away from people you don't like to get around people you do like and love more. Maybe these can help. I don't know. All right. So another platform is called Wow. All right. Wow. Let me log in real quick. Now, this is the education platform, guys, right? This is where you can learn more about Forex, more about binary, more about cryptocurrency, all right? We have more about gold, guys, right? We have courses, we have educators here that come on live every week to train you, to show you what they're doing. The same people that's making, you know, multiple 5-figure, 6 figures trading Forex are going to be showing you exactly how to do it every week. And you can ask them questions live. The community here is lit. All right, guys? So keep on going down for more. These are more courses that we have, you know, of course, on Forex, on the products, personal development, binary, market madness, all kinds of stuff in here that you can dig into. Indices training, you want to learn how to trade US30, you want to learn how to trade these fast moving assets, guess what? We got you, all right, guys? And there's a whole lot more when it comes to this this education. And let me just ask you, you might say that your company is doing the same thing. Yes, they may be, but is it a community? Is it from people who care, who you can actually reach out to, right? Is it from 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure traders? Let me ask you that, right? That's only a fraction, guys. That's only a fraction of what we have so far. All right. We also have another app that you can copy and paste trades from a 6-figure a month trader in binary. We also have another app where you can do copy and paste for stocks that's coming. We have another one for cryptocurrency that's coming. All of them as intuitive as what I've already showed you, as viable as what I've already showed you. What I want to ask you is what you're doing give you as much value as this, as much support as this will? Is what you're doing as easy to tell your mother about, your grandmother about, your parents to help them become financially free? Is it as easy to tell them about and get them started to do it? I don't know. Someone once told me, look, Deontay, if you have a goal, if you want to become something, find someone that's already doing that. So find something that's already that. I'm not a 7-figure trader, all right? I need to come and find out how to become a 7-figure trader, and that's why I'm here, guys. So far, that was 2 apps I showed you that I could copy and paste and make multiple 4, 5, 6 figures straight from your phone without recruiting a soul. Like I said before, when you ask me what makes this different from what you're already doing, I don't know, because I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm not doing what you're doing. But let me ask you, what you've seen so far, is it more valuable? Does it show a lot more value than what you're doing right now? Right? Does it make it easy for you to profit every day? If it does, great. Stick with that. But if you see potential in this, if you see that you can buy back your time a lot quicker than this, then definitely hit me up. My information is down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's a link right down below. That threw me off. Right down below. Alright, so like I was saying before, my phone rudely interrupted us. If you're interested in what I just showed you, go ahead, check down below this video if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this on some page somewhere. You should see a link or a button or something right down below this video. Get in contact with me, alright? Check out the webinar replay. We just now shot on Thursday. Instead of going a lot more deeper of what I just showed you, I just wanted to show you what got me excited. Why Deontay Break the Cycle say, yo, it's time to add some more things to the trading arsenal. And these apps, including the Oracle, the binary trader app, the cryptocurrency trader app, the stock trader app, the live trade sessions with 7-figure traders, okay, the live training sessions with 7-figure traders. That's what got me excited, because I know that I'm on my way to become a 7-figure trader. I need to go to where the 7-figure traders are, all right? And if you feel the same, like I said, go ahead, check out all the information below. I'm sorry if this was too hyped for you guys. I'm sorry if I was overly hyped or overly dramatic, but I get so excited when I see stuff like this, guys. So as always, it's your boy Deontay. Break the cycle section, and I'll see you in the next video.